On this video, I'm going to show you a new safe way where you can earn passive income from your already existing crypto. And in addition, I'm going to show you a way where you can get free $5 and how you can set up and verify your account on this platform. And this is the simplest and safest method to do it. So before I proceed, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also join my Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. So with that being said, let's move. The name of this platform is known as Pillow.fund, which you can also get the link on the video description below, or you download their app from Play Store. Pillow.fund is a decentralized finance fintech company that help people earn yield on their crypto investments. And this company also partner with Elevation Capitals. So the way Pillow works is basically rewarding its users for staking your crypto with them. You can see that you can earn 6.02% on BTC and Ethereum, and also earn 20.5% on MATIC. So instead of holding your crypto on your wallet, you can just send it to this platform and earn reward from it. Now take note, this 20% is annual percentage yield and it is distributed daily. That means on a daily basis, you'll be receiving your earnings and you'll be seeing it on your dashboard. And also you can withdraw any moment and any period you like. So for you to get started on Pillow, you just have to click the link below, or you just have to go to Play Store, then search for Pillow and install their mobile app. So because you are new, by the time you open the mobile app, it will take you to this section where it will just show an overview of what the app is talking about. So you just got to slide right, then click on get started. Then on this section, you just have to click on sign in with Google, or you just got to input your email address manually. So after you sign up with your email address, it will take you to your dashboard. And since you are a new member, you need to verify your account before you can use this platform. So you just got to verify it, and within few minutes your account will be verified. Now on your dashboard, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this information that says don't let your BTC remain idle, deposit your BTC today and start earning 6% return in your BTC. And that also applied to Ethereum. So for you to deposit either on your BTC or Ethereum, you just got to click on deposit, then you select the network and copy your address, then send BTC to this particular address. And within few minutes, you will receive your deposit on your Pillow account. So that is for BTC and Ethereum. And by the time you click on this wallet icon, you'll be able to see that MATIC has 20.5% APY. So you just have to deposit MATIC to this platform, then you earn 20.5% APY. And when you scroll down, you're able to see that USDC is 13.68% APY. And you'll be able to see that I already deposited 100 USDC in the last few hours, and I'm already making some profits. Now remember that any financial activity you perform online is risky, so make sure you do further research before investing and before using the platform, because I'm not a financial advisor. And there's this new feature where you can also earn feathers, where these feathers can be converted to mystery bots where you can earn surprises and some NFTs. Or you can just redeem these feathers to USDC directly. Now these feathers are the reward you get from using the app. Just as you can see, it says earn feather by depositing crypto or referring friends. And another thing is that one feather is equivalent to 1% of USDC, which means 100 feathers is equivalent to 1 USDC, which is 1 USDT. And you can redeem your reward any moment you like. And there is another cool feature on this Pillow platform. You are going to get free $5 if you use my link to register and deposit your first $50. And it only applies to people that use my link to register. And that free $5 is withdrawable, which you can also withdraw anytime, any moment you like. So make sure you use my link below to register, or input this my referral code if you're registering from the mobile app directly. You can also reach out to their support team on WhatsApp, or you reach out to them on Twitter, which you can also find their link on the video description below. Now for you to get more information and understanding of how this platform works, you just got to click on this section that says read FAQ. So you just got to click on it. Then with that, you'll be able to know more about this platform. And this platform is a well-trusted platform of over 100,000 people. And everything going on this platform is secure because it is backed by BitGo. And one cool thing is that you can withdraw your fund at any time you want, because there is no lock-in period for your fund. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content like this. And also join my Telegram channel where you can get free crypto trading signals every single day, which you can also find the link on the video description below. And you can also use the comment section for your compliment and questions, which you can also get reply instantly. So in recap of what I just said, you just have to click the link below to get started. And by the time you download your mobile app and get started, you will get your first free $5 on this platform. And as I said before, instead of you holding your crypto on your wallet, you can just deposit to this Pillow platform, then you earn 20.5% on MATIC and 30.68% on USDC, which is a stable coin, and also 6% on Ethereum and Bitcoin. And remember, all the payments are distributed on a daily basis, and you can also earn further by referring your friend and also depositing to this platform, which in return you can just redeem to mystery box where you can earn some reward and also some NFTs. Or you can just redeem your little further reward you have directly to USDC in ratio of 1%. So with that being said, as you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.